Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to synchronize messages from iPhone to iPad mini 7th generation. In order to do that, you want to open settings, and then in the settings you want to make sure that you are using the same Apple account on both devices, on your iPhone and on your iPad mini. The next thing that you should do is go to iCloud, and then in iCloud you want to go to apps that are saved on iCloud, or to iCloud actually. And you might be able to find messages immediately. If not, you can press see all in order to find all of these apps, and then find messages. You want to make sure that you have messages enabled for iCloud, so that every message is actually stored on iCloud and it can be synchronized with other devices that also use the same Apple account. And of course, you want to make sure that messages in iCloud are also enabled on your iPhone. And in addition to that, you can also press sync now in the same setting. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!